The digital wallet takeover. Apple Pay and Cash App are doing what big banks never did, bringing fast, simple money tools directly into the hands of people the system left behind. In the hood, banks closed their doors, but digital wallets opened up a new lane. No credit check, no judgment, just access. You can pay your rent, tip your barber, or send cash across the country, all from your phone. That's real mobility. Fintech apps like Cash App are leveling the field. They're helping the underbanked build habits, stack money, and learn crypto on the fly. Apple Pay lets you walk in and out of stores, no wallet, no hassle. It's clean, contactless, and safe. Digital wallets don't sleep. They work on holidays, weekends, midnight. No overdraft fees, no minimums. For years, banks treated our communities like risks. These apps, they treat us like customers with options. Now, you can buy Bitcoin, invest in your future, and build credit, all from the same app. That's ownership in your pocket. This is more than tech, it's empowerment. It's putting control of your finances in the palm of your hand. Start small, build big. Start now. Tap into free Bitcoin with the link below and be your own bank. Get free Bitcoin and start building your own digital wealth. Link in the description.